behold, this is the elevator, which is to the leasing center here at the Metropolitan apartment complex in Columbia, Maryland. Yeah, all we have here is a Kone Ecodisk. This is elevator number 6. I think the other 2 could be unable to access, I think. Oh well. I say. Two.
Second floor.
Right. Yep. Good. And over there are the residential elevators, which you're unable to access. Can't access that. There can I say? Here we go. Check out this cab. It's like totally cool. I like this cab. Certificates over there. Emergency phone button. Capacity is 2,500 pounds. Heat fixtures. I like those. Let's go back to 1.
Fifth floor.
1. That's what that goes. And that's it. Don't forget to comment, rate, or subscribe to my channel, people.